Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Muturi. If it's your first time here, and if it's not, karibu sana. Yes guys, so finally I'm doing the house tour that I promised last week, and I know you guys will enjoy this. If it's your first time here, please hit that subscribe button, and let's get straight into it. We'll start with the living room. Let's start off with these curtains and chairs that are thrifted, and then I have this light fixture that I found in this house, and we have this fan as well. I got this for 3,500 shillings like 4 years ago, and I love how everything is looking. So next we have my couch. It's a 3-seater and another 3-seater. So I also got these some times back, and you've seen them in my other videos. So one thing I love about this house is the flooring, and I love these tiles. So on the front side I have my TV stand that I got from Gara, and I'm gonna put the number of the phone in the description. It was around 17,000 shillings. And then we have this candle that I bought from Home Decor 254. This is a candle with batteries, so you don't need to use a matchbox, and I really like it. So we have these books that I go for 900 shillings each. So you can find them at Home Decor 254. That is where I got mine. On the other side of my TV stand, I have this golden plate that I got from a shop in Sour Mall. I don't remember its name, and that is where I place all my remotes. And then we have my banana plant. This one went for 9,000 shillings. I got it from Home Decor 254. And one thing I love about it is it looks so natural, guys. Like, it doesn't have a synthetic look to it. One might even confuse it for like a real plant. Then we have my TV. It's a Hisense TV, and it's a 55-inch. I just love it. I love it. So on this other side we have my chair. This one I got for between 3,500 to 4,000. I can't remember the exact price, and it's really nice because you can move it around the house anytime you want. On this other side of the wall, I have this light fixture I found in this house, and I have also this wall art that I had in the other house. And if you remember, I had like 6 of them. This one is an A9, though it looks kind of small from the camera, and I don't know where to place them because I feel like they don't just mesh with the house, but I think I'll change the prints. And if you have any suggestions on where I can place those wall arts, please give me a comment. Please comment down below, and I will appreciate. So guys, from the living room we have this space that I have placed my fridge, and the reason why I didn't place it in the kitchen is because I felt like it wasn't very spacious. So adding the fridge there ingefanya ikuwe very small, and that is not what I wanted. So let's go to the kitchen, guys. One thing I love about this kitchen is the storage spaces. Like, this kitchen has so many spaces to store your stuff, and we'll start with the upper storage, and I'll show you what I have in there. So here I just have some plates, and then on the other side I have some electronics, some salt, and just a few items. And then on the other side I have some rice and some of the ungas I have in the house. So here's my cooker, and it's a 6 burner. And is it a 6 burner or 5 burner? Sorry. And one thing I love about it is this center burner because it works very well, especially when you're in a hurry or when you need to boil maybe cereals or something like that. So guys, on this other side I have my sink, and this is just my chopping board and some wine glasses on top there. And then on the other side I have this decor piece that I made from bottle of wine, and then I have the eucalyptus leaves that I got from Home Decor 254. Then on top there I have like some cups and some glasses. So this other side has some sockets, and this is for anyone who would want like to put their fridge in the kitchen. So down here I have more storage space, and I love these spaces because I have stored my spices and other kitchen utensils. So from the kitchen we head on to my sink area, and this is where like I brush my teeth and look myself in the mirror when I'm leaving, and this is how it looks. One thing I love about it is you can put the lights on, especially when you're waking early in the morning to go to work, or maybe you have an early morning. So this is like a plus for this house. So guys, next we head on to my bathroom, stroke my washroom, and here's just some place I can hang my towel. Then here I have like my supplies, so my body wash, bathroom cleaners and all that stuff. So on this other side I have like this plant that I got from Mr. Price Home. It went for 1,000 shillings. And then I just have like my dog shampoos and other supplies. So from there guys, we come to these plants. This one I got from Home Decor 254 as well, and I don't remember the price, but I don't think it was I think it was around 3,500 if I'm not wrong, but I'm not sure, so you can check on their page. I love this bedroom because it's very spacious. Like I have my office in here, and the bedroom is still spacious. So hapa chini I have my kikapu that I got from Carrefour. And then I have this pillow cover that I got from Smart Lady Home. So the striped ones, the one on the bed and the one in the kikapu, both I got for 500 shillings each. And then I have this closet space. And one thing I love about this closet is it's very spacious. Like I have stored everything, my makeup, my clothes, and kila kitu inatoshea vizuri. So this is how it's looking. One other thing that I love about this closet is these lights, because it's very useful, especially when you're doing your makeup or when you're getting ready to leave. Then on this other side I have my bed, and this duvet cover and the pillowcases I got from Kamukunji. Here I have this wall art that says time to relax. It was also in the other house. And then on this other side I have my office space, and this lady I got this desk from some lady, and I'm gonna put her number in the description. She makes furniture. And then this chair I got from Gara, I don't remember the shop. And then I have this decor piece on top of my desk that I got from Home Decor 254. So in the bedroom I have this light fixture and it's black and gold, so it goes well with the theme of my bedroom, which is black, white and some gold. So, and I really like it. So next guys, I'm taking you to the balcony, and the balcony in this house is very spacious guys. I can't wait to do some magic in this balcony. I think we've reached the end of my video guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and comment. I love when you give me feedback. If you loved any part of the house, comment, and if you have any suggestion, also comment. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on my next one.